Mosquitoes are drawn to humans based on a combination of biological and chemical factors, not random chance or superstition. Scientific studies reveal that certain blood types, especially type O, are more attractive to these pesky insects. People with this blood type emit specific chemical signals that mosquitoes can detect, making them more likely targets. Additionally, body odor plays a significant role in mosquito attraction. Compounds like lactic acid, ammonia, and uric acid, which are released through sweat, act as irresistible cues for mosquitoes. Even the bacteria living on our skin can influence how appealing we are to them. Beyond blood type and body chemistry, mosquitoes are also drawn to carbon dioxide. Humans exhale CO2 with every breath, and mosquitoes can detect it from a distance, using it as a trail to locate their next meal. Pregnant women and individuals with higher metabolic rates tend to produce more carbon dioxide, making them more susceptible. Understanding these scientific factors allows for more effective prevention strategies. By recognizing what makes certain people mosquito magnets, we can take targeted steps, like using repellents or wearing protective clothing, to reduce our risk of bites and the diseases they may carry. Mosquitoes are drawn to certain individuals more than others due to a combination of environmental and genetic factors. One of the primary reasons is body heat. Mosquitoes are highly sensitive to temperature variations and tend to target people with higher body temperatures. Additionally, carbon dioxide (SOx) emissions play a significant role, as mosquitoes can detect SOx from up to 50 meters away. This explains why individuals who exhale more, such as those who are physically active or larger in size, often find themselves as prime targets. Clothing choices also influence mosquito attraction. Dark-colored fabrics absorb and retain heat, making wearers more noticeable to mosquitoes. Conversely, light-colored clothing reflects heat and is less appealing to these pests. Alongside attire, the use of insect repellents containing DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus can significantly reduce bites. However, prevention goes beyond personal measures. Experts stress the critical need to eliminate standing water, such as in flower pots, gutters, and old tires, to disrupt mosquito breeding cycles. Community-wide efforts, like public education on proper waste disposal and water management, are essential in reducing mosquito populations. By addressing both individual habits and environmental conditions, people can minimize their risk of bites and the diseases mosquitoes carry. To effectively prevent mosquito bites and reduce the risk of mosquito-borne diseases, individuals should adopt practical, science-backed strategies. Using EPA-approved insect repellents, such as those containing DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus, can significantly deter mosquitoes. Wearing long-sleeved clothing and pants in light colors, which are less attractive to mosquitoes, provides an additional layer of protection. For added safety, treating clothing with permethrin, an insect repellent, can further minimize exposure. At home, installing window and door screens and using mosquito nets around beds, especially in high-risk areas, can create a barrier against these pests. Community-wide efforts are equally crucial in combating mosquito-borne illnesses. Public health campaigns can educate residents about eliminating standing water, where mosquitoes breed. By regularly emptying containers like flower pots, bird baths, and clogged gutters, local governments and organizations can organize clean-up drives and distribute repellents in vulnerable neighborhoods. Schools and workplaces can host awareness sessions to teach preventive measures. By combining individual actions with collective initiatives, communities can reduce mosquito populations and lower the incidence of diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. Evidence-based prevention remains the most effective way to safeguard public health.